What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and I didn't do a video in so long, but I gotta whisper because my mom is upstairs, and me and my little brother are gonna prank her, and it's not that right time. I'm breaking out and everything, but this stuff stink so bad. Like, we're gonna prank her, and he's gonna say, "Oh, my stomach hurts," or something like that. And while we in a car, I'm gonna spray it while we driving up to my grandma's house because we about to drive up there for a birthday dinner. And I'm just gonna get her whole reaction. But she coming. But she don't like this smell of fart. She don't like this fart smell. She don't like when people fart in her car or nothing. But I gotta go because she coming. Say hey to my vlog.
Hey y'all.
On your last family vacation before college, you're made of all the things you've done and all the things you're going to do. And we'll be
Turning your nails?
while you do it. You're made ready, and so are we. Citizens
my
Bank.
window up, huh?
Ready.
Citizens Bank is a brand name of Citizens Bank NA.
Hello, this is attorney Jason Fine, Big Al from 1-800-HURT-123. That's 1-800-HURT-123. By now, you know IMG is the only number you need.
Wait for what? We already pulled off.
Jamira. Attention they deserve. Unlike many.
We need a redo. Shit smell. Y'all smell it?
Yeah, what is that?
What the fuck is that?
I don't know.
You know what? Oh my fucking god! Oh my god! You know what? It's like a fucking horse in here. I'm not playing. I'm not playing. Don't do that shit in my fucking car.
I didn't fart.
Shit the fuck stink.
Nazir, did you fart?
You know what? No, that's shit. Like that shit. That ain't no fuck. Oh my god. I mean, oh my god. Oh.
Yo, it's
That's
Rico.
like horse shit. Like, oh.
Mr. Rico,
Got my stomach hurting.
What?
did you fart?
Oh. Did the fuck you?
No, maybe it's somebody's breath in here.
Oh. Oh my god. This like. Oh my god. This stinks so fucking bad. I can't. Oh. Oh. Oh no.
Oh, we swerving.
Yeah, this shit stink.
You got us swerving?
Oh. That shit I ain't right over that. I made sure I ain't right over that. Woo! Oh my god, that was awful. That was shit. Like that wasn't no, poop, like no dog poop. That was like horse shit.
Yeah, there was like 4 different piles of that shit.
That was some deep shit. Like really, literally, like
Big
that,
George, too. He was shitting his ass off.
Oh, it's still in here somewhere. Like, did y'all step on something? Anything?
No.
I hope y'all didn't throw that shit in my fucking car, yo. Seriously.
No, Mom, we didn't step
Oh
on
my!
nothing.
I'm about to throw up. I'm about to
We
throw
didn't
up.
step
Oh,
on-
God, I can't drive. I gotta pull over. Oh,
I done pull over.
oh, I can't do it. Oh,
Pull over.
I got to. This shit's. Oh,
I ain't stepping that.
oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. This shit I ain't right over that. I made sure I ain't right over that. Woo. Oh my god, that was awful.
It might have been somebody who
Cause you know how weak my fucking stomach is.
Mom.
I'm not the fuck playing with you.
We didn't do
That shit
nothing.
the fuck stank. You know what? Oh my god. Oh.
We're gonna pull over?
Y'all about to get the fuck out. That's y'all.
What we do?
Oh my god. Oh my god. It stinks so fucking bad. Like, oh, I can't. Hurry the fuck up. Damn. I'm no fucking slow. This is awful.
Mom, you coughing,
It's
choking.
bad. You know I gotta. Oh my God, this is shit. It's shit somewhere.
Guess what, Mom? You just been pranked. Mom, you been pranked.
Jamir, I'm not playing. You about to be the fuck
been
left.
pranked.
Throw that shit the fuck away.
Mom. Oh, I got you good.
Oh my God.
I got you good.
Oh. Jamira, do not spray that again. I'm dead serious. I'm not playing. Put
Okay,
that
I
fucking camera
won't.
down. Don't spray
But
it
it was
again.
a prank.
I don't give a fuck. Don't spray that shit in my fucking
You
car.
said I can prank you.
Never told you that shit. Jamir, I'm not even playing. I'm
Well,
not
you
even
gotta
playing.
say you got it.
All right.
Jamira got me.
All right. I'm canceling insurance. I don't give a fuck. I'm dead the fuck serious. Oh. Give me the bottle. Give it to me.
I'm not gonna spray
Give
it
me
no
the
more.
bottle. Give me the bottle. What a fucking birthday. And it ain't even my birthday, but no. This bullshit, fuck no. The fuck
Mom,
is wrong
you
with
threw it out the
Yeah,
window?
you fucking right. It smell like shit. That shit, you tripping.
Why would you do that?
Fuck
I
that
spent
shit. I
some
don't
money
care.
on that.
Oh well. I don't care. That shit stank. I don't give a fuck what you spent on it, motherfucker. Ugh. Oh. If you got another bottle, I swear to fucking God, I'm putting you out on the boulevard. I'm not playing, Jamir. Stop recording me. I'm
The
dead
prank
serious.
is over.
I'm driving. It fucking stank. You got my car stinking.
It don't stink no more. I smell that stuff. It goes away.
God damn.
Money like I embezzle. I'm basing without no trouble. Meaning bitches.
I was
Yeah.
about to say something, but then she said out of nowhere.
All right. Okay.
God.
You always showing your ass when she come
Well,
home.
Mom, what are you talking about?
Yo, we got her so good. Mom, can you talk to my YouTube
No, I'm not
channel?
talking to shit. No, I'm not talking to shit.
Please.
No, Jamira, that was wrong. Who that shit?
It was wrong.
Yeah, that shit out of here.
She's still mad about the prank. It was like 20 minutes ago.
What are you getting? Who? Oh, what?
Mama.
No, I'm not playing, Jamira.
Mom, say something to my
No, I don't want to say
YouTube,
shit
please.
to you, no, because you found that shit funny. It wasn't funny, Mary.
Mom, you gotta say something though.
I'm on. What's on my shoulder?
No,
You on that black cotton ass shit you had?
Come on, Mom.
No, I don't want to say nothing.
Okay, just say she got me.
No,
Oh, that was,
She
oh,
got
that was
me.
foul, though.
that was fucked up.
Foul, man.